Hello, welcome to my channel Grammar World. I'm Vijay Lashkar. Today I've come with a very much short video, and it is on JRB, Clerk Gate Examination, and also multi-purpose examination. What kind of exam it will be? Multi-purpose examination syllabus has not yet been given, but LDC 1 is known to everybody. So many questions arise in our mind see regarding what we hear from the others around us, and also the prank social media posts, comments, etc, etc. Okay, here I have to go a little bilingual. দুইটা ভাষাতেই আমাকে এগোতে হবে, কারণ এই ভিডিওটা আমি তৈরি করেছি সবারই জন্য, সব ভাষাভাষী. See, at first you have to keep in mind, you have to be super positive. কি কি আমরা শুনছি, কি কি আমরা করব, দ্যাট ইজ এ বিগ ম্যাটার. আমরা কি কি শুনছি দেখো, আরে এই পরীক্ষাটা হবেই না, এমন কত অ্যাডভার্টাইজমেন্ট শুরু হয়, বাতিল হয়ে যায়. কম্বাইন্ড পরীক্ষা হয় হয় করতে করতে আজকে 3 বছর হয়ই না. টিসিএস এর মতন পরীক্ষা পর্যন্ত, পরীক্ষা নিয়ে রিটেন নিয়ে শেষ পর্যন্ত বাতিল হয়ে যায়. So and so many things. That is, we do hear that in Tripura advertisement is given by the TPSC, but it is not taken. It gets cancelled. Combined competitive exam has not yet been taken. For long 3 years advertised, fee was taken, still it was cancelled. TCS exam was taken, even written was taken, and then it was cancelled. So many stories go, but should we value them? The answer will be given later. Should we value them or not? Relatives tell, what is the use of reading for competitive exam? Competitive exams come and they go. The candidates who get pre-selected, they smell a rat. They find everything negative. They just predict a backdoor entry. But do you believe? এগুলি কি তোমার বিশ্বাস হয়? আমার তো হয় না, আমার হয় না, কারণ টিপিএসসি, it is a prestigious institution, so nothing can be expected like that from this prestigious institution like TPSC. Another thing, friends. Some friends are there, they make pranks on unemployment, on a little inability of the fellow friends. আরে দূর, পরে কি হবে, চল আলু বেশি, চল ব্যবসা শুরু করি, চল দোকানের কর্মচারী থাকি, so and so. But what you want to do, just stick to it, don't believe anybody. Another, those who were once your companions but got job, is their success freaking you? আরে তারা যে চাকরি পেয়ে গেছে, তোমার সাথে বন্ধু বান্ধবের মধ্যে চলতো, তাদের সাকসেসটা কি তোমাদেরকে সূচের মতন খোঁচাচ্ছে নাকি? ডাজ ইট বার্ন ইওর স্কিন? তুমি কি জ্বলছো নাকি? যদি এসব করে থাকো, ফ্রিজ থেকে এক বালতি জল বের করো, ফ্রোজেন ওয়াটার, মাথায় ঢেলে দাও. ইউ জাস্ট শেক অফ, ইউ জাস্ট রিমুভ even the slightest trace of negativity from you. Be fresh minded. Your mind should be as innocent of a child. চাকরির পরীক্ষা দিতে গেলে আগে মনটাকে ঠিক করতে হবে. তোমার মন হতে হবে সুপার পজিটিভ. যে যাই বলুক, আমি চাকরি চাই, আমি পড়াশোনা করি চাকরি পাবো. I shall read sincerely and I will get it. I shall prove it and I have the ability. Those who sat for the exam for 9 times, 11 times, 30 times, I don't care for them. I never hear such kind of things. If I hear, I just put it through one eardrum and it will go through another. Don't believe. Okay, now JRBT syllabus and question paper, how it can be. This is very much important, how it can be. Look here, it will be taken in two parts, paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1 there will be 100 marks, partly descriptive and partly objective. Paper 2 will be totally objective and it will be GK. Paper 1 English. In English there will be 30 marks descriptive, which will comprise of report writing, translation, summary or TC writing. And if we segregate the mark, distribute the mark, then 10 marks is, then it goes for report writing 10 marks, 200 words. Translation 10 marks, 10 sentences or maybe 2 passages, 5 marks each. First mark করে দুইটা প্যাসেজ দিয়ে দিতে পারে. Summary or PC is 10 marks. Title 2 marks and body 3 marks. 7 marks. In total, how is it possible? So much deficient in mathematics I am. Title 2 marks. No, title 3 marks may be given. 3 marks and body 7 marks. 7 plus 3, 10 marks. Done? Or 2 or 8. 2 plus 8, 10 marks. এরকম ভাবে দিয়ে দেবে আর কি. Title 2, body 8. Or title 3, body 7. And in objective type, you will get preposition, article, correction of sentences, then rearranging of sentences, phrase and idiom, group verb, synonym, antonym, comprehension test. It will cover in total how many marks? Conventional type of exam. Oh, I see. Conventional type of exam will include 40 marks, not 30, 40 marks. And MCQ type will have only 30 marks. MCQ type 30 marks, preposition, article, etc. Okay, now go to conventional part. Let us do a little modification. Report writing I have written or essay 15 marks. Translation 10 marks. TC writing 15 marks. 12 plus 3, 15, like that. Okay, now GK and CA, that is GK and current affairs part. Then it will be 100 marks test and duration 2 hours. For English also duration 2 hours. And it will include current affairs, Tripuran, national, international, and GK. GK will also be on Indian history, Indian geography, constitution, science, etc. Okay, now you just keep preparing. However,